let me tell you, it's gonna be a plot and a twist with these. I ain't never did no whole full install. So what I'm gonna do is, I know y'all probably like, I ain't much call my hair. Huh? Huh? Okay. Yo, oh, I look like Batman and some damn body. Robin. So what I'm gonna do is, I don't get nobody to be glued with me right now. It's somewhere in that room, and of course I ain't gonna beg. So I'm gonna put this right here. And this Kentrell gonna do the voiceover. So in a minute, y'all, I'm finna stop talking. I'm gonna let him talk. Okay? Okay.
Here we go. Okay, putting the cream on it, son, y'all. What about here, man? Putting the cream side to side. She wiping it. I guess she finna blow it. I guess she blowing it. I look at her pregnant, nigga. That's me. I'm gonna start blowing it for her. She like somebody gonna hurt her. I did. So I'm still blowing it. She talking as usual. She finna cut. Cut on the side. Cut on the side, girl. She cut on the other side. I don't know. Now she blow drying again. Nah. She look like a condom right now. Yeah, she cutting it, y'all. She cutting it again. She doing a lot of cutting, man. And she put some oat cream on. Then she gonna slap it on that down. She put them motherfucker back like that. So she gluing it down, drip drop, drip drop, drip drop. White dot, ooh, I'ma went her eye. She finna do some 3 layers. That's just the first one right there, though, yeah. Then she put her flappers down. Yeah. She got 2 little baby hair. She finna put the lace band on, scratch that motherfucker. Damn. Hey, man. She flipping her hair like she Beyonce somehow. She put a glue stick on her. Ooh, flat iron, flat. How do she not her hand? She kind of blow drying. She making a paw. She like a rock star right now. I don't know who she thinks she is. Like she a beautician or something like that. So, okay, she's straightening it out. That's what she's doing. She's straightening it out. Well, I got a boo-boo, man. Ooh. She's straightening it. Then she took it off. I know her hair. Then she burned her head. She burned the side. She burned her head in the side again. She doing this side now. She did it again. You. She's dressing. What that? She fixed her little flap on her hair. She putting some more white stuff on. She combing the white stuff. Rubbing the white stuff in. She done made a whole circle, a whole C. She greasing down again, wiping again. She kind of got any white stuff. Ooh. She look professional down here, y'all. Oh, she looking at the camera. Oh, she's so motherfucking sexy. Okay, she put some more glue on it. Well, she look like that white girl. Now she combing it out again, she combing it out. Well, she brushing the side. She looking in the ooh, calm, scratch. Now she gonna brown her, bro. Deuce. She calm for finishing touches, I guess. Nah, she put on some more cream on. You how long? Don't tell me how long. Flat around her, flat on her. She calming. I think she finna make some braids with it, I don't know. Nah, she calm. Nah, she finna make. That's how y'all. Cause she just made a whole bow with her. What the fuck? How did? Man, she talented. I'm telling y'all, man. She talented. That she flatten it out, flatten it, flat. Most y'all don't flat y'all wigs out. I be seeing. She combing it out, combing it out again, flat iron. See, she gotta get every part flat iron. Cause y'all be having y'all top fluffy as a mom. Okay. Lashes falling all out.
So y'all, this is the finished product.
Ooh, she done. Ooh, she looking like a snack.
I think I ate. I don't know though. If y'all see my face so greasy, it's because I just did my face care. I hate spring. I do. Because my skin be looking obvious. It's giving scalp y'all or not. I don't know. But I think I did good though. Y'all let me know what I do.